Find a comfortable position. Sit or lie down. Let your body relax. Gently close your eyes. Take a slow breath in through your nose and exhale softly through your mouth. Again, slow inhale and a long, calm exhale. Let your shoulders drop. Relax your jaw. Unclench your hands. You are safe. You are in control. This is your choice. Now bring your awareness inward. You may feel hunger, a sensation in your stomach, a signal. But this is not an emergency. This is communication. Your body is shifting. Take a breath in. And as you exhale, remind yourself, I am not deprived, I am healing. Let that settle. Now imagine what is happening inside you. Your body, incredibly intelligent, begins to adapt. It no longer relies on constant incoming fuel. Instead, it turns inward. It begins to clean old, damaged cells, proteins that no longer serve you, waste that has been stored. Your body is now using it. This is autophagy, your internal renewal system. With every hour that passes, you are clearing out what is weak and making space for what is strong. Breathe in and feel that process. Breathe out and let go of what your body no longer needs. If hunger arises, observe it. Do not fight it. Do not judge it. Just notice. A wave rising and falling. Hunger is not constant. It comes in rhythms, and you can ride it. Say quietly to yourself, this is temporary. This is part of the process. I am stronger than this sensation. Now bring your awareness deeper into your body. Imagine your cells, millions of them, working for you, repairing, restoring, optimizing. Your mitochondria becoming more efficient, your inflammation calming, your body becoming lighter, clearer, more focused. You are not breaking down. You are rebuilding, stronger, cleaner, more resilient. With every hour of fasting, you are stepping into a healthier version of yourself. Feel into that, stronger, fitter, clearer, not through force, but through allowing your body to do what it was designed to do. Now bring one hand to your heart and one to your stomach. Breathe in and send calm to your body. Breathe out and send trust. Say to yourself, my body knows exactly what it is doing. I trust this process. I support this process. If discomfort is present, soften around it. Do not tighten. Do not resist. The more you relax, the easier this becomes. You are not fighting your body. You are working with it. Now imagine yourself at the end of your fast, light, clear, energized, your mind sharp, your body reset. You feel proud, grounded, disciplined. You did this, and not by force, but by alignment. Take a deep breath in and hold it for a moment, and slowly exhale. Feel the calm, feel the control. When you're ready, gently bring awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers, move your toes, and slowly open your eyes. You are in control. You are healing, and your body is working with you every step of the way.